All right. Okay. So from next week, we're gonna go over or MC8 from unsolved one because sometimes we didn't do usually 22, 25, or sometimes we did up to number 16. So the rest of them maybe 17 to 25. Okay, from next week, we're gonna finish all this middle difficult level or hard difficult. Okay, so we can try this one. Okay, because we almost done. Because very easy questions and the middle difficult level questions we done already. Okay, now we're gonna go advanced. Okay, so today's our last days. Okay, to do each questions. Okay. If you let me take a look, okay? If you need one more, maybe you can try next time one more easy questions. All right. So I want to try number 1, 2, okay, one by one today, okay? All right. Everybody try one, and if you find the answer, you can give it to me. We can check it out, okay? All right, go ahead.
I got D.
I got D.
I got D too.
Okay. Another D. Yeah. Okay, Mindy made 3 purchases for $1.98, $5.04, $9. What is this one? I think right, 9.89.
Dr. Chung, why didn't we do the last questions that we didn't finish for AMC 814?
Okay, so we're gonna do the hard question from next week. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna. Don't worry about that. Okay. So we can go that. Okay. After maybe 16 or 20. Okay, we start right that difficult level questions from next week. Okay. All right. Don't worry about it. Okay. Next week we can do that, right? From one by one. Okay. All right. All right, so this is, okay, what are the questions? Correct. What was the total nearest dollars? You can add more, right? Okay, when you add more, let me take a look over here. Nearest, maybe you can simplify, oh, this is very close to $2, this is close to $5, this is close to what? $10. Maybe this might be easier way. When you add all this one, it's gonna be $17. Okay, or you can add more. It doesn't matter. 1.98, 5.04, 9.89. You can add more. 12 plus 9 is 21 over here. That is 11, 19. One up over here. 10, 16, 91. Right. All right, so round the nearest dollar. So this is more than 5. It's going to be 1 over here. That's why it's 17. This is another way. Okay, we just estimate already. That's 1 minute. You can use either of this way. Okay, I like this method. Okay. All right, number 2. Yeah, this is the MC8 questions of the scoring system, I think. Okay, answer 13 questions correctly, answer 7 questions incorrectly, and did not answer the last part. What is the score? Okay, I don't know how to score. Long time ago, there was a deduction, but now they don't give any penalty. Okay, we don't have to do this one. That is very nonsense questions. All right, everybody try number 3. Okay.
I got A.
All right. You got one upper, this one. All right, can you explain to me, to your friend, Ivan?
See, can I annotate? I can't annotate.
Okay. So you can explain.
Basically, she did 10 laps in 25 minutes.
Uh-huh.
So it's 10x equals 25. And it's since 12 laps in 24 minutes, it's 12y equals 24. When you calculate the first expression and
Uh-huh.
an equation, you get x equals 2.5.
Mm-hmm.
And for the next one, you get x equals 2. So
Mhm.
she increased by 0.5, which
Yep.
is equals to 1/2.
Excellent. Okay. But then you find, okay, how many minutes he improved? She improved the lap time. Lap time is for one lap. Okay, not two lap. One lap is the lap times. For 10 laps, it took right 25 minutes. For the one lap, it's gonna be divided by 10, right? The first before, I think this is before. Before she took 25 minutes for the 10 lap. Each lap is what, 2.5 minutes. Oh, this is faster? I don't know. A second one later, okay, she made it 12 laps in 24 minutes. So 24 minutes divided by 12, that gives us what? Each is 2 minutes per lap. Okay, this is 25 minutes per lap. That is improved, right? Because what? The time is what? Less than before. Okay, so you can take that difference. Okay, so 0.5 minutes. Okay, 0.5 minutes improved. Very good. Excellent. All right, try number 4. Everybody try number 4.
I got B.
B or A, Edward or boy?
Boy.
Oh, boy, okay. You got the one over. Everybody try to read questions to try to find. I'll give you some time, okay? One revolution, the direction doesn't change. If one revolution over here, okay, over here, same thing, okay? It doesn't affect anything. But 2 revolution, after that, okay, 1/4 revolution, okay? What happened?
1/4 revolution. It would
Oh.
go to north or south.
South, okay, over here, just 1/4, 1/4 over here. The next one is 3/4, same things, right? Same directions. Now 3/4 is what is that? 1 over here, 2 over here, 3 over here. Is this correct or not correct?
Not
Anybody?
correct.
Why is it not correct? I did it wrong.
Because it says counterclockwise and clockwise.
Okay, you gotta be careful, right? Always there is a trick. This is not a good idea, but anyway, they trick on you. Okay,
You have to do 3 3/4 minus 2 1/4.
that's right. You
then
gotta, yep,
2
that's
and
correct.
1 1/2.
Yeah, from here you gotta go back. Okay, the other side. It is okay. Counterclockwise. Maybe you can go this way. This is not counterclockwise because we take right just before opposite side. Okay. All right. Any questions on this?
Nope.
All right. Very good. Because spin is clockwise, arrow is what is that? Counterclockwise, okay? Opposite, the arrow move right opposite way, okay? Do you understand? This spin move to the right, arrow move right to the right. It's the same thing. It is okay. All right. Or you can use what spin. It's okay. I'm gonna do this way. Maybe I don't want to make you confused. Okay. I'm gonna spin this one clockwise this way. So from this one, okay, clockwise, you have one pulse over here, right? This one move on. Now this is west. This is west. This is west. Is okay? So this side, what is it? West, south, isn't it? This is the south. Okay, the next one. After three revolution, another three polar, okay, counterclockwise. This one, 3/4 move over here. Where? Here, here, here. This is now W, west. Opposite side will be east. That's why arrow to this direction, east. Okay. Any questions on number 4?
No.
Okay, you can use the spinner direction, or okay, just why you can make this is one move. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay. All right, now move on number 5. Everybody try number 5.
I got D.
I got one D over here. Anything?
I got A.
Oh, E. Okay. And
No, A.
Oh, your A. Oh, 15 and 30. Oh, double. Much difference. Any other answer? All right. The large square is 60. What is the other but small? This is the large one. This is small one. That's right. What their relation there? When you make the line, maybe you can use these two horizontal and vertical line. These two area must be equal. This also equal. This also equal. This also equal. So you can use A. There are 4 of A. Large one is another A. Another 4 is 8 over A.
8A.
You have the large squares, or is what? Twice of the area of a small one. Okay. So this is 60. This one should be half of that one is 30. It's okay. Yeah, that's the answer. Make sense?
Yep.
All right. All right, number 6. Try number 6. We have a letter T formed by placing 2 by 4 into rectangle. Okay, 2 by 4. And to next each other, another 2 by 4.
I got C.
All right. So what is the perimeter of T? Okay.
I got the same.
Okay, very good, very good. This is not hard, okay? I think everybody can do that. This one. We already got over here. Okay. This is 4, this is 2, opposite side. What is the length of these two? Maybe you can
1.
use in the middle, okay? It doesn't have to be in the middle, but you're gonna put in the middle. That's fine. It's the same thing. This is 4, this is 2, this is 4, right? You can write, you can assign the numbers, okay? You can add more. 4, 6, you can add this, okay? 7, 11, 13, 17, 18, 20. Is it okay? Or you can, this is a 3/4, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2 is what? 8. 1, 1 is what? 2. Okay, you can solve this later. No. This is 6. Okay. Any questions up to number 6?
No.
Up to number 6 is okay, right? That is not hard. All right, now we can go to the next one, number 7. Oh, we have many letters there. Okay, but you don't have
I
to worry
got
about.
B.
Okay, what's the answer? I got the one
got
over
B.
C.
I said
C.
B.
Oh, you got B. Any other different answer? Okay, circle X has a radius of pi. Circle Y is circumference. This is right. Circle X, circle Y, and another circle G. This is radius is pi is given. But this is circumference is given. C is circumference is given 8 pi. And G has area is given 9 pi is the area. But we're gonna compare radius. Smallest one to largest radius. This is we got the radius already, pi. What is this one? Radius will be 3.14, something like that. Is irrational number, right? Okay. But this is circumference is 8 pi, diameter is 4. This is diameter, isn't it? Diameter times pi to circumference. So radius is 4, right? Half of diameter. This radius is 4. 4 is greater than 3.14, right? Pi. And the next one, this is area equals pi times r squared is the area, is not pi. The pi, when pi is canceled out, r squared is 9, r is 3, right? So r is 3. So we need to find from this order, small to largest. So r is 3 is smallest one. The next one is x is the second one. So g, x, and which is the largest one? Gxy. Is it okay? Yeah, choice B is the answer, okay? You can quickly find that there is the radius, okay? Yeah, still up to 7 will be okay, right? Any questions up to now?
No.
All right, very good. Now try number 8. So table shows some of the results of survey by radio station KAMC. Okay, maybe their check the survey, they don't like it or not. All right, listen, do not listen. All right, what percent of males? They said what percent of males of is what? This is a whole number. This is we said whole.
I got
Okay.
E.
Surveyed, listen to the station. Okay, okay.
I got E.
Oh, you got D. Okay. I got the one upper. E. Any other different questions? Different answer or? Okay. Can you explain, Ivan? How to get the 75?
Since there's 136 people in total, and we need to know how many males there are, we have
Okay.
to do 136 minus 56 to get 76. You have to add 78. I mean 78. You get 78, and it's 78 plus 26 to get 104.
Okay.
Then it's 78 over 104. You get it, and then you get 0.746, blah blah blah, and that's about 0.75, and that's about 75%.
Excellent. Okay. We're gonna find what percent of males people. Okay, male. Talking, we don't need the word female. Forget it. We are talking about only male over here. Out of this 104 males, how many of this male they don't know? They like to listen. Oh, still we need to find this one. You can find from here. Okay, after you find 104 over here, and you can find it this way, the other numbers. I'm going to find over here, 58, 136 minus 58 is, what is that? How much? 78, right? Or you can, after you find this one, you can subtract 26. Same numbers, 104 minus 26, 78, right? This number is 78. It is okay? The percent is a part of whole number. 78 is a part. This whole number is is 104. When you multiply by 100, that gives us what percent? Right? This is too lower. We know that there is 78 already. It should be more than 78 because this number is 104. Yes? No, a little less than 78, right? It can be more than, because this is 100. If this is 100, that is 78%. This number is a little more, less than this 78. This is too much lower. Okay, just right, choose this one. Or you can solve this one. 7,800 divided by 104. What? You can do that. It doesn't matter, but you don't have to find what exact number. First number is going to be 7 over here, right? It's okay, because that is 10 to 27. It's going to be 70 something. All right. All right. Number 9. What is the product? Oh, wow. This is product. So many. Around what?
I got C.
I got A.
4 numbers product.
I got C.
You got C. Okay. Good try. Any other different answer?
I got an A.
You got an A. Oh, okay. Good try. Any other? Okay, try do by yourself. Okay, everybody try by yourself and give me your answer. What about Jake?
I agree.
Which one, A or C?
I got C.
You got C. Okay. What about Luke?
I just answered that.
Oh, you had answered that. Okay, very good. What about Sia?
I also got C.
Oh, you got C. Yeah, a lot of friends. Okay, they got C. Maybe they might be answer. I believe it. Okay. When you multiply this one is we said the telescoping product, telescoping series.
So like canceling.
Yeah, telescoping means what? Numerator, take a numerator, 3, 4, 5, right? There is a pattern. It has a pattern.
And it cancels.
Yeah, what about denominator? Still have a pattern, but they use the same number, okay? But a little different positions. This number 3, same thing. 4, same thing. This gonna be canceled out. 3, up, down, right? Finally, we got only 2 numbers left. So 2006 number and first denominator number. So 2006, or otherwise 1, right? 1 over 2. It's gonna give us 1003 is the answer. Okay. Oh, okay. Some of this already. Okay, right. That is number 9. All right, move on number 10. Okay, try number 10 over here.
I got A.
You got A. Okay, very good. I got the one upper over here.
Got
A.
the same.
Oh, got the same. Okay. Any other number? All right, take a look over here. W is width, that is rectangle. W is width. Length is L. L is 12. W times L equals 12. That is not linear, right? Linear is what the L equals 2W plus something, right? That is a linear, but product is 12. That is what this is definition of inverse variation. Okay, you know this one, okay? X times Y, 2 quantity product is some constant. This is we said inverse proportion, right? Inverse variation. They change inverse variation. For example, so I'm going to use the length and width, this one. Times equals 12. If the length is 1, W is 12. If the length is 2, W is 6. If the length is 3, W is 4. Always their product is what? Same numbers. Is it okay? Then we set inverse variation because what? When length is increased, what about this one? Width will be decreased opposite way, okay? All right, that's what we set inverse, okay? So inverse always what? The product of two quantity always constant. That is the inverse.
You have to graph it.
That's right, the graph of inverse always what? Every time W is small, right? Can you see that over here? 1, 12. This is a 1, it's gonna be 12. 2 over here, that is a 6. You can a little try some point of view. When x equal 3, that is a 4, right? Not, this is not constant or decreasing, okay? That is what? Inverse graph of this one, okay?
Half parabola.
Yeah. That is not parabola. I'm gonna do this one. This one we said hyperbola, okay? Rectangular hyperbola. Usual hyperbola, we said this graph is a hyperbola. But this one, it looks like this one. This one also hyperbola. Okay, but special this one hyperbola, the rectangular hyperbola, okay? Rectangle. Okay. All right, now move on number 11. Okay, now let's try number 11. How many two-digit number have digits whose sum is a perfect square? We have a two-digit number, one-digit number. Let me see, how many two-digit number have a digit whose sum, oh, no, not this one. Only one number, right? Two-digit number when we add what all digit, okay? The sum of digit will be perfect square, okay? Yeah, that's the questions. Not two numbers there, okay? For example, okay.
You could finish your speech.
All right. Can you give me some number for the example which satisfies the conditions?
22.
Okay, 10. This is the smallest, right? Two-digit numbers. Okay, that is two-digit number. Add their digit. Add their digit. 1 plus 0. This is what is that? 1 is 1 square, is it? Yeah, this number is okay.
The next one is 13.
Next one is 13. Yeah, 13 is, what is that? 1 plus 3 equals 4. Okay, what is the next number? Give me the next
22.
number. 22. 22 is okay. 2 plus 2 is 4. And
31.
31, okay. 31 is okay, right? Okay, and
33.
yeah, 33 equal okay too.
41. 42.
Yeah, 33 is working.
52.
33 is what? The sum of this number is the perfect squares. 33 is not working, right?
36 would work.
Yeah, 36
Yeah,
is working.
36.
36 is working. Wow. How many of these numbers? Because what two-digit number?
17.
99, isn't it?
I got C.
Oh, you got C. But to find this way, we need a little some time, right? A long time. That's why we need like some other right pattern we need to organize, okay, some things in here to find the right easier numbers in easier way. Okay. So you better try what? Perfect square. How can you make a perfect square? Some of these two. Perfect square over here. One is perfect square number. 2 square is 4. Sum of right two numbers when you have right sum of two digits. The
9,
the number is 9, and then next one
16.
16, and the next one.
But we can't use the next one
Why?
because 99 is the biggest, because it has 2 nines, and that's the biggest digits you can get for a 2-digit number. And
Mhm.
9 plus 9 is 16.
All
And there
right.
can't be more.
Excellent, excellent. So we gotta stop here. Is it okay? Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
I
Because we
would
can
do
go right. The next one is 25 is not working because of 25. The largest digit is 99, right? Let me check it out. The largest digit is what is okay. I'm gonna explain. What is digit? The digit is the number, right? We can create any number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 10 digits over here. Okay. So sum of the largest digits are 9 plus 9 still only 18. It can be more than 18. This is wrong, right? So 25 is not working. Only 4 is working. Okay, so with 2 digits, which numbers has their sum of a digit is 1? Only 10, isn't it? That's right. What about 4? 1, 3, 4, 2, 2 is 4, 3, 1 is 4. The next one, what is that?
4, 0.
4, 0. Okay, up to here, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, don't forget this one, okay? 4, 0 also are 2-digit numbers. Okay, now take, okay, everybody try number, okay, sum of a digit 9. How can you
90.
make a 9?
90.
Okay, smallest one bird. The little one bird. Make order. 18 first,
Oh.
okay?
18.
1 plus 8 is the smallest number. 18. The next one.
27.
The next one.
30.
Increased by 1, right?
36.
And the next one.
47. I need 45.
45. Okay, the next one.
56.
No.
And 54.
The next one.
63.
63. The next one.
72.
72. The next one.
81.
Increased by 1. 80. The next is 1. What about the next one?
90.
Excellent. Up
And
to
that's the
90,
last
right?
one.
Yeah, that's the last one. What about number 16? Sum of digit is 16. What is that one? To make 16, 1 or no? Digits should be less than 9. Okay. So what is that? You can try. Okay. So what? 88 is no good. Okay. Yes. Good one,
Yes.
no good. It's good.
79.
Yeah, this is our first number is 79. That is 16, isn't it? You can be,
Yes.
if you this is 0, the next number is 10. That is not working. So 79 is the smallest number whose sum of digit is 16. Okay, what is the next one? 80.
88.
The next one.
97.
Okay, the next one.
106.
No, 100 is more than 2-digit number. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all about. You can quickly find them. Okay, so one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 number. You can find it this way. Okay, there's no other way. Okay. All right. You need to organize. This organize give us while you're saving some time. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Now
I got D.
move on number 12.
I got D.
I got D already. Okay. Any other different answer? E or D?
D.
Oh, yes, it's D. Okay. Any other different answer? Okay, read questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Antonio can get what 70% of the problem test. So he got what 70 problems correct. Okay, 70% of 10 problems, only 7 questions. 80% of 20 tests, I'm gonna do 7 correct. 80% times 20.8 times 21. 16 questions correct. 90 on a third 30 questions is 90 to a 0.9 times 30 to 27, right? 27, they're all correct. Okay, 3 tests
Add
are
them all.
combined into 60. Yeah, that's all 60 questions. 10 plus 20 plus 30, just 60 questions. Okay, which
You have to add
percent
them all.
wrong? You can add them all correct. Right, that is 23. This is, what is that? 50 out of 60
60.
questions, okay? So you can multiply by 100. So you can make, maybe you can wonder it out. 500, wow, this is very close, right? You need to check it out. Divided by 6, 8, 40, 8, 20, 3 is 18, 28, 3.3333, okay? Repeating decimals. Okay, so this number is a close number. Okay, 83 is correct. Excellent, very good. All right, now try number 13.
I got D.
You got D. Any other answer? Oh, you got D already, okay. Any other different answer? All right, cash leaves, okay, Escanaba at 8:30 a.m. heading to market on a bike. Anyway, M. C bikes or uniform rate. Uniform rate means what? Constant rate. Okay, this means constant, same speed. Okay, every hour, 12 miles. Okay, yeah, that's the cash. All right, Brian leaves market at 9 a.m. heading to Escobar on his bike. Okay, they're toward, right? They're toward each other. This is a Cass over here. This is a market over here. Cass is 12 miles per hour. Okay, this guy is 16 miles per hour toward each other. They both bike on the same 62 miles route. Okay, between Escanaba and market. Okay, at what time in the morning do they meet? Okay, all right. Okay, Ivan, can you explain how you got 11 o'clock, 8:30 right now, 62 miles route? This guy is at 9 o'clock. Okay, I'm gonna. Cases lives 8:30, Mark sleep 9 o'clock. Both traveled with the same distance, 62 miles, because what? This is faster, but this is what 30 minutes earlier left. That's why their travel distance must be equal. Is it okay?
Since 16 miles. since the other guy,
Mhm.
Askanaba,
Okay, it's Kanaba.
rides 16 miles per hour, but no, Cassie bikes 12 miles per hour and she starts 30 minutes ahead. So 12
Mhm.
hours count for the first 30 minutes.
Mhm.
But then Brian leaves 30 minutes late. So
Okay.
half of his time counts for the first hour.
Uh-huh.
So it's 8 plus 12. I got 20. And then I kept adding until I got to 62.
Okay, good idea. Okay, now let's do this way because we have a different time over here, right? Okay, Cassie left right 30 minutes earlier, but this is 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna make this 9 o'clock. For some time over here, it'll be 9 o'clock. Is it okay? Yeah, that is 9 o'clock. Okay, now let's find out. 8:30 to 9 o'clock, what is that? 30 minutes, right? The cash drive 30 minutes. 1 hour, cash will drive 12 miles, 30 minutes, half of that, 6 miles already. She traveled 6 miles over here already. Okay? Is it okay? Now we got a new scenario. Now we got a new scenario from here to up to here, new scenario. Okay, so this is a 62-mile road. 6 miles out. At the same time, they traveled toward each other around what? On this road, 62 minus 6 is how much? 56 miles. That's another story. Now that is easy way, okay? That's the easiest way. All right, now from here, 9 o'clock, they traveled what same time, okay? Okay, now let's find. This one is 12 miles per hour. From here, 9 o'clock, from here, they travel the same time. I'm gonna use what, X time, T time, okay, time, T hours. Okay, I'm gonna do X hours, it's fine. X hours, they travel both what, X hours. All right, cash traveled how many hours? X hours times 12, isn't it? Some over here. 12 times X, that is the distance for the Cassie. Okay, calculated from 9 o'clock. This is also X hours, but this is what faster, right? 16, a little more longer. The other one is what, 16X, that is the distance for, who is the next guy? Who is the next guy? Who is what? Cassie Breyer. They met up here, right? Because what? 12x plus 16x, total distance will be 56 miles. So you have to set up the equations. 12x, that is distance for Cassie, and the 16x, that is this travel distance for Brian, okay? So sum of
28x.
these two equals 56 miles. Now solve this one for x, 28, x equals 56, x equals how much? 2 hours, all right? 2 hours after 9 o'clock, they're gonna meet right at this point, not from 8:30, okay? Because we calculate from 9 o'clock. That's right. So 9 plus 2 hours is 11 o'clock. Oh, excellent. Good try. Okay. Any questions on number 13?
No.
This is, we need, right? Some take what 6 miles we take off. This is, we set the scale.
Okay.
Okay. What is the scale? To make it easy. Okay. All right. Okay. number, what is this one? It's very question. Problem 14, 15, 16. Okay, after we finish our other one, we go back to 14, 15, 16, okay? A little boring, right? Okay, this one do later. Okay, now move on, number 17. This one is what? Going into typical level 4 or 5. Okay, typical, there's the typical level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay?
I got
Usually
B for
number,
I got
17.
B.
typical level is number 1
I got
to
B.
7. Typical level 2 is what, from 8 to 12. Typical level 3 is what, 12, 13 to 15. Typical level 4 is what, 16 to 8, 20. Typical level 5 is what you usually reset 21 to 25, okay? But if we make up to here, you're so good. This is very good for your age. But if you go over here, you are super. Already going into over here. What a genius. Spelling is okay?
No, I don't think so.
That is right. Analysis for AMC 8 questions, okay, from AMC 8 organization, okay? Long times ago. All right, okay. This is number 17. All right, number 17. Jet rotate the spinners P, Q, R, and
I got
F
B.
inverting numbers. What is the probability? Each sum is an odd number. Okay.
I got B.
You got B. Okay. Very fast. Very good. You got B. Any other different answer? That is our condition over here. Sum of all the number, right? Sum of all odd numbers should be odd number, odd number. Okay. Any other different answer? All right. We have 3 numbers belong to each group. P, Q, R, okay? P is what? 1, 2, 3. Or odd number. Oh, P is or odd number. What about Q? 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, they are all even number. Oh, okay. What about
We
R?
need an even.
1, 3, 5, 9, 11, right? They are divided. Odd number again.
Only an even could, since 2 odds
Okay.
make an even, you need an even for P.
Mm-hmm.
And if you use an odd, any of those that you make, if you use an odd for P, if you
Okay.
choose an odd for P, everything wouldn't work because it would turn out an even because odd and an odd makes an even and the even and the even makes an even. So
Excellent.
2 is the only choice to make an odd number. So it's 1/3.
Yeah. Take a look. They're not all odd number there. Okay. You gotta be careful. 2 is even. Okay, this is wrong. Right? This is only one even over here. All the other one is odd, isn't it? Yeah, we start from here. To have odd, what is that? How can you buy? Because right, we have a one odd, one number of odd over here, and the other one is even before. Even plus odd number, what is it? This is odd or even? Odd or
Odd.
even? Odd.
Odd.
We still get an odd. This all odd, right? This one is oh. Anyway, when you add any numbers that is still odd, to have other number, first one should be even, isn't it? Even plus odd, finally it's gonna be odd. odd plus odd is gonna be even. That is not working. This is already odd, okay? It doesn't change, right? It's not even. There's no opportunity, right, to have even numbers. But the only things over here, it decide from here because the next one is always odd. So where is we need even number? Where is even number? 1
2.
out of 3. Okay. If you got the 2, you can get any numbers always. Sum of all numbers will be odd. If you got the even over here, okay, even plus odd is what? No. If you got odd number, odd plus over here, even plus and odd should be even, right? The output already will be even. So this generate, if you got the 1 or 3, its final result will be, if you choose this one, final outcomes will be even. This one all give you even. Only this number generate what? Odd number, okay? So the probability will be decided up here. If we choose this one, sum of all the numbers is odd. If we choose these two, sum of all the numbers will be even. So probability to have an even number, odd number will be 1 out of 3, 1/3. That's the answer. If you don't recognize this one, you can add more, right? Add 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 5. A lot of working. It's okay. And also you have to find this is 3 numbers. The next is 5 numbers. The next is 5 numbers. Total possible combination is 75 numbers. What that means, you have to calculate what sum of all 3 numbers 75 times. That's right. A lot of work. There are 75 sum there. When you add all the numbers, sum, it's going to be 75. Out of this 75 sum, which numbers is odd? You can count again. What that means, it takes too much time. Okay, that's why we need another skill too. This is right for the math competition questions. Okay, always you will need some organized. Okay, all right. Now the next one is number 18. Move on, number 18.
I got D.
Okay, do you guys need any some break?
No, maybe.
Maybe. Okay, after 18. Okay, now take a
I
break
got-
right now. Okay, take a break. Okay.
I got D.
Oh, you got D. Okay.
Same,
So-
I got
Okay. All right. So right now, 4:24. Everybody come back here 4:30. Okay, only 5 minutes break. Okay. All right. Take some water and some breath. Okay. Take a breath. Okay. The fresh air. Okay. All right. Everybody come back in 5 minutes. Okay. At 4:30.
okay.
Okay. Take a break. I'm gonna resume record. Oh no.